Hello everyone, this is Tarun Jagdish, faculty at Expert Gyan Corporate Training. Today I will be taking a video on another important subsidy which is available for the micro industry, the small industry and the medium industries, which is called as the Credit Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme. Friends, this is a scheme which is brought out mainly for either the new companies or they can be existing companies also who are investing in plant and machinery for the purpose of upgradation of technology. Now, whenever you want to improvise, you are buying some new machinery or doing some renovations or kind of improvisation, in that case, you will be incurring some expenditure. For this purpose, you might go to a bank and you might take a loan. Now, what Credit Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme mentions is that if you have taken any kind of loan, they will be giving you back a subsidy of 15% of the machinery cost or plant and machinery cost, but the maximum limit is kept at 1 crore. So if you have bought a machinery having a worth value of 1 crore, 15% of that turns out to be 15 lakhs or 1 crore, whichever is less. Suppose you have bought a machinery worth 10 crores. On that 15% is turning out to be 1.5 crore. But here you will be getting only a subsidy of how much? 1 crore, and this subsidy will not come directly to you. It will be given as a repayment of a loan to the bank from which you have obtained the term loan. This bank has to be a notified bank which is known as PLI, a public lending institution. Let us now go in depth and learn the concept of Credit Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme, which many of you can actually avail. Friends, what exactly is CLCSS? It is mainly for micro, small and medium enterprises. The main purpose is technology upgradation. If you want to improvise the technology, your machinery is old, you want to go and buy a new machinery, you can go for CLCSS. They are mainly for small, medium or micro enterprises. If you have any outdated equipment, you can renovate and you can improvise the technology by investing. Government will help you with 15% of the subsidy. The best features of this subsidy is that they are going to provide you 15% of the investment as subsidy to a maximum limit of 1 crore. Who all is eligible? Friends, as I told you, you can be a new company or you can be an existing company. Still, you will be eligible. There are in total 51 sectors which has been notified for whom capital subsidy scheme is available. But one of the very important things is that you should be having a valid UAM number. You can be a sole proprietorship, you can be a partnership, you can be a private company, doesn't matter. If you have a valid UAM number, you can apply for Credit Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme. The major benefits, as I told you, you can go for upgradation of technology. Your overall loan, if it's 1 crore, now you don't have to pay 15 lakhs, you just have to pay the remaining amount. In order to make an application, you have to fill out an application form which will be available with your PLI. And once you do that, on the basis of approval and the records that they are asking for, once you provide, you are eligible to get this subsidy. The following documents are required to be provided: the PAN card, Aadhaar, your personal address proof, business address proof, passport, and the proof of business, etc. I hope you are clear with this concept of Credit Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme, friends. Now, you want to know whether you are a micro enterprise, a small enterprise, or a medium enterprise. You can check that from the following definition. You are a micro if your investment in plant and machinery is not more than 1 crore and your annual turnover is less than 5 crore. All right. You are a small entity if your investment in plant and machinery is not more than 10 crore and your annual turnover is not more than 50 crore. You are a medium enterprise if your investment is less than 50 crore and your turnover is less than 250 crore. So I believe most of the companies, other than those who are falling under the higher category companies, come under the definition of micro, small and medium. So you can actually avail this benefit. Thank you so much, friends. Have a nice time ahead. Thanks a lot.